Tuesday short and important news. His Highness Amirul Mu'mineen held a consultative meeting with officials of ulama councils. Following the establishment of the ulama councils in several provinces of Afghanistan, the Supreme Leader of the Afghanistan held a consultative meeting with the chairmen, deputies, and administrative officials of the ulama councils of Kandahar, Helmand, Zabul, and other provinces of the country. 4G services activated in Paktika province. The Roshan Telecommunication Company launched 4G services in the Kharana, Zargun Sheher, Yahya Khel, and Sarubi districts of the Paktika province, enabling its customers to benefit from internet services of up to 10 times the speed. Afghan businessman rescued from the clutches of kidnappers. Spokesman of Kabul Police Headquarters says, late Monday night in the Taimani area of Police District 4 in Kabul city, kidnappers tried to abduct an Afghan businessman. A clash took place between the security forces and kidnappers. As a result, 4 kidnappers were killed and the businessman was rescued. Construction work of 6 water supply projects completed and put into use. 6 clean water supply projects by the Swedish committee at the cost of 24 million Afghanis have been completed and put into operation in Achin district of Nangarhar. Administrative Deputy PM met with Shiite scholars. Administrative Deputy PM Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi in a meeting with Shiite scholars said that Islamic Emirate is committed to balanced development. Mr. Hanafi asked them to cooperate in strengthening the relationship between the government and the nation with Islamic Emirate. The exports of pine nuts have increased. Ministry of Industry and Commerce says more than 5,000 tons of pine nuts have been exported abroad this year. 29 children with heart infections introduced to private hospitals. The Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 29 children for treatment to private hospitals in Kabul, where their whole treatment expenses will be covered by Afghan Red Crescent Society.